You are watching my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Nadeem Raja. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button so you will receive all my latest videos. Today I'm going to talk about new strain, new variant or new type of coronavirus which has emerged in September. So the health professionals and scientists, they have given the name to this new variant or new strain of coronavirus VUI-202012/01. This is 70% more transmissible than other coronavirus types which are already circulating in the community. And due to this new type of coronavirus, there is a surge of the cases in the community, and due to these increasing number of the cases, many countries have suspended their flights to and fro to the UK. Scientists also are debating about this new type of coronavirus, whether it has originated from the United Kingdom, because all the majority of the viruses, they have an ability to mutate, and then they come up with a new type or new strain of virus. So whether it is originated from the United Kingdom or somewhere else where the sequencing or detection facilities or other like isolation facilities are not quite good. Especially in this virus is spreading in London, in southeast and southwest. These areas are affected in November. So when the infection rates were not coming down in Kent in the United Kingdom, then the health experts, scientists, then they noticed that the higher number of infections are due to new coronavirus, which is VUI 202012/01. So this new type of coronavirus, which is highly transmissible, has caused enormous pressure on the hospital beds, as well as healthcare professionals. According to the government data which was released yesterday on Saturday, the government released data on Sunday. So in the last 24 hours, the 35,928 new cases of infections were reported and 326 deaths. On Saturday, 16,183 patients were occupying the hospital beds, which was very close to the numbers at the peak of the first wave in April 2019. 1,239 patients were on the mechanical ventilation, still fewer than half the numbers during the first wave. And 144 districts of England were suffering due to this new type of coronavirus. And most affected areas are London southeast and southwest. That's why government implemented new rules to limit the spread or prevent the spread of new variant of coronavirus infection. The scientists so far and health professionals, they say that this virus is not causing more severe disease or more deaths than already the other types of coronavirus which are already circulating in the community. Management or prevention stays the same. Avoid or minimize social distancing, wear mask, wash hands with soap and water where soap and water is not available, use a sanitizer. If you have any question regarding new types of coronavirus, please write down in the comments and I will answer your queries. Thank you very much for watching this video.